learn how to round today. And I know some of you guys already know how to do that, and that's great and exciting. Some of our friends in here don't know how to do it yet. So, if you know the answer yourselves, raise your hand. Okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the very top of your page. Do you see the number 21?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at this number on the board. We've got 21. Raise your hand. You can tell me which number is in the tens place. God, I wish I could see my hands or not. Malik, which number is in the tens place?
21.
Which number is in the two?
2.
The 2. All right. Did everyone get your pencil and circle the 2 in your number 21 on your paper? What about for number 35? What number is in the tens place? 3. Natalie, which number is in the ones place?
And which one?
In number 21.
1.
Number 1. Could you underline that number for me, you guys? Underline number 1 in the 21. Hey, what about 35? What about number 35? We've got the 3 circled because it's in the tens place. What about this number? Sophia. 5 is in the ones place. Okay. Now with these numbers, something really interesting about them. We round. And rounding means going up to the nearest tens or down to the nearest tens. And it's all going to depend upon the number that we underline in the ones place. Some of these numbers that we underline have special powers. Okay? And some of them don't. So look at these numbers right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guess what?
No powers.
No powers. So what happens is they poof, go away, and the 0 comes in their place. Okay? So what number are we left with? 20. Okay. But 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 have special powers. Okay? And he gets a smiley face. Yes, they get smiley faces. They have superpowers. Now here's the cool thing. You've got to put your listening ears on because this is super important. This number is so powerful that it gives this number another, get a 1. So this number goes away, turns into a 0. Don't worry. He left a present for number 3, a +1. What's 3 plus 1?
4.
So it turns into 40. Okay, so you all see that on your papers? So we've got 20 plus 40 is the second step. What is 20 plus 40? 60. 60. All right. All right, let's do some more practice. I'm going to pass out a sheet with some toys maybe some of you guys have looked at. And Cher, you can take apart the tables if you like.
Can we cut them out and keep them?
You cut them out and keep them.
Yeah.
Okay, there's 2 sheets. Look at the numbers on your sheet. Each one of those toys has a price. Okay? Some of them are expensive, some of them not so much. I need someone to raise their hand and give me a price of one of the toys that they see on their sheet. Daniel. 89. Okay? I need one more Cooper.
62.
62. All right. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to need y'all to find the tens place in 89. Natalie. 8. What's in the ones place? Sophia? 9. Now what happens to this 9? Remember, because it has superpowers. Who can tell me what happens to the 9 and the 8? Cullen.
The 9 scoops away, but it leaves a special gift for the 8.
You're right. What does it leave for the 8?
It gives it one more chance. It gives it 9 change and stuff.
Gives it 1 more. And what's 8 plus 1?
9.
Right, so we just rounded up to 90. Let's look at 62. Do you have any special powers?
No.
No, so what happens to 62? What happens to the 2? Hoops away. Does anything happen to the 6?
No.
No, it stays the same. So 62 rounds down to 60. Let's do one more. Give me 2 different numbers. Raise your hand. Maya.
31.
31. Okay. Who else?
Go ahead, Donna. 41.
And 41. Okay. Here's where we're going to do something. You know what a sum is? Y'all have been doing addition, right? What is a sum? Can anyone tell me what a sum is? Mason.
It is like an answer or the question and we got a problem solved.
The answer to an addition question. Sum. So, we're going to want to find the sum of these two numbers by rounding. Okay? So what do we do here for number 31? Cullen.
The one gets scooped away without any gift.
No gift.
That one.
Who else? Malik. What about number 41?
The 1 and 4.
What? Does the 4 stay? Or does it go away too?
It goes away. But it goes away too. No.
Are you sure?
The 1 just goes away. It goes into the other. The 4 stays like how it
4 stays the same. What is 4 plus 3?
7. Well, 30 plus 40 equals 70.
That's right, Charlie. All right. Let's do some guided practice on your sheet quickly. We got 45 plus 38. Look at your guided practice section. We got 45 plus 30.
Can I get a picture of yours? Yep.
Nolan.
Leave the slide there.
Steve. Okay, let's look at number 45. Let's look at this. Let's focus on this number first. What number is in the tens place? 4. What number is in the ones place? Right. Does 5 have special powers? No.
Yes.
Okay, Nolan, so what do we do? We sure? Remember, the 5 has a special power and leaves what?
A gift.
Again, what is the gift? That's important.
The 1.
A 1. And what happens to the 5, Nolan? It goes away and turns into a what? A 0.
I don't get that.
When did you get married? Why does it get 2? We're going to try to round up to the nearest 10. Let's look at your number line. Do you have a number line on your sheet?
Yes.
Okay. Look where 35 is, Merritt. It's right in between the 30 and the 40. You see that? right here, exactly in the middle. And then 5 has that special power, turns into a 0 less than 40. You see that? So pulls up, scoops away, and turns into a 0. And then leaves one of the 9.
Why does the 5 stay with the group that doesn't have any special powers?
Why does it what?
Why does the 5 have special powers? It was just
It's just irregular. But we're going to round up when we have a 5. Okay? All right, what about 38? The 3. So, what about the 8? What do we do? What number is that? What place is it in? The 1's place. It's the 1's place that we look at, not the 3. Okay? So does the 8 have special powers?
Yes.
What happens to it?
The 2 cells turn to 0 and the 3 stays and it turns to 30.
Remember, when it has special powers, it leaves a gift.
It leaves +1.
Plus 1. What's 3 plus 1?
4.
Now,
2. Mine is 40 plus 30. 40 plus 48. 80.
40.
What am I?
3. Which is in the 1s.
7.
Which number are we going to look at to determine whether or not it's magic or not? Or
The 7.
the 7. Does 7 have a power?
Yes, and it leaves a gift for the 3. It changes.
Changes to what?
It changes it to 4 and then it goes left
What happens to this number?
and then it goes to the 0
Perfect.
and it's 40.
And it's 40.
And
Mason, can you tell me how to do number 49, or with number 49, which is in the 10th place?
the 4.
Which is in the 1's place?
Yeah.
Which number has the powers? 9?
That puts on the 0 and the 4 stays the same.
It does?
It comes to 2. It comes to 50.
Okay, what's 40 plus 50? That's
90. 90. It is like 4 plus 5.
okay. So number 2. You should have number 2 filled in. Number 2 filled in. Okay. Excellent. Did you have it filled in? No. We're on the first page. Okay. Okay. We're about to send you off and finishing the problems on the back, but before we do have that, a rhyme for you guys. And maybe it'll help you remember. Okay. Y'all want to read it along with me? Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
What's the name?
No.
It's a rhyme. Alright, I'm going to read it to you. Find that place value, circle that digit.
On the place value, circle that digit.
Next door neighbor, underline, get it?
Next door neighbor, underline, get it?
4 and under, circle stays the same.
4 and under, circle stays the same.
5 and up, add 1 is the game.
5 and up, add 1 is the game.
Now flex your muscles like a hero.
Flex your muscles like a hero.
Digits to the right, turn to 0.
Digits to the right, turn to 0.
All